It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I have a new construction home here in Madison Heights. Let's go check it out.
Welcome to 27824 Groveland, right here in Madison Heights. This stunning new construction home is designed for modern living, featuring 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and an open, airy layout that feels bright and spacious the moment you walk in. Let's start outside. You got a large covered front porch, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or relaxing in the evening. As you step inside, you're greeted by a wide open living area that flows seamlessly into the designated dining space, ideal for family dinners or entertaining guests. The kitchen is the heart of the home and will feature an L-shaped design with a large island for meal prep and generous pantry for all storage needs, and a breakfast nook that's filled with natural light from the door wall overlooking the backyard. Just off the hallway, you'll find the conveniently located first floor powder room before heading upstairs. Upstairs, the primary suite offers plenty of room to unwind, complete with a private ensuite bath and spacious walk-in closet. Down the main hallway, you'll find laundry room right across from the main full bath. Both bathrooms thoughtfully designed with their own linen closets for extra storage. The 2 additional bedrooms are bright and comfortable. Each feature large windows and generous closet space, perfect for family, guests, or even an office space. If you've been looking for a brand new home in a great location, 27824 Groveland has everything you're looking for. Modern design, quality construction, and thoughtful details throughout. Hurry, this home is anticipated to be completed by the first of the year, and there's still time to add your personal touches.